Broke again? That was fast. Where did all that money go? How many subscriptions are you actually paying for? Do you even know what hits your account each month? When was the last time you checked? Really checked? The average person loses over $1,000 a year. $1,000 on stuff they forgot they signed up for. That free trial you never canceled. That gym membership collecting dust. That streaming service you watched once. It adds up fast and nobody tells you. Life Admin tracks every single subscription you have. Every bill gets logged in one place. You see exactly what leaves your account. Set reminders before anything renews. Cancel the stuff you forgot existed. Finally know where your money actually goes. No paper to lose. No notes to forget about. No spreadsheets that never get updated. Just your phone and the truth. It stays with you everywhere you go. Peace of mind fits in your pocket now. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what you overpay for. The app is free on the App Store. Search Life Admin Finance Tracker. Download it right now. To do it.